How to reset your myQ garage door opener. First, locate the Learn button. Find the Learn button on the garage door opener. Its color varies by model. Step 2. Reset a Wi-Fi garage door opener. For models with a yellow or white Learn button, press and hold the Learn button until its LED turns on. Keep holding it until the LED turns off and then release. Immediately press and hold the Learn button again until the LED turns off, and then immediately press and hold it a third time until the LED turns off. You should hear 3 consecutive beeps confirming the factory reset. Step 3. If your Learn button is another color. For other Learn button colors, press and hold the Learn button until the LED turns on and then turns off and release it. So you don't have to do it 3 times as you did with the yellow and the white one. Step 4. Set up myQ again. After the factory reset, the opener's Wi-Fi settings and account connection are erased. Remotes, keypads, home link connections, and myQ accessories are also needing to be programmed. Open the myQ app and add the garage door opener again. Now, if you have the myQ Smart Garage Hub, hold settings until blue LED blinks, release, hold settings again while the blue LED is blinking, and then wait for the hub to beep. That factory resets the hub, erases Wi-Fi settings, and removes the opener from the myQ account. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.